Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your PC runs Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise because Home lacks the built-in host. Once done, sign in with an administrator account so you can change system settings. Next, set the network profile to private under Settings Network so discovery works. Now open Start, type Remote Desktop Settings, and press Enter. This takes you to the exact control where the host switch and related settings live. Once in Remote Desktop Settings, toggle Enable Remote Desktop to on. You'll see a confirmation, accept it. Make sure network level authentication is checked for better security. It forces credential checks before a session starts. Then click Select Users to add any non-administrator accounts you want to allow. Type the username and press Check Names to confirm. Also note the PC name shown, write it down or copy it. You'll use that host name or IP from the client machine. After enabling the host, open Windows Defender Firewall and confirm Remote Desktop is allowed on private networks. Add public only if you understand the risks. If you need access across the internet, set a router port forward for TCP 3389 to the host IP or, preferably, use a VPN to avoid exposing the port. Finally, from a client PC open Remote Desktop connection, enter the PC name or IP.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.